तो चलाओ मज़ा आई. Let's start the video, guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have subscribed my channel. After this video you will surely do it to get the gift hamper. So let's start the video, guys. Let's go. Jumping to this video, check out my previous videos also. It will help you all. And so today we will understand an amazing topic, which is biotechnology. साला biotechnology है क्या? Let's find the scope. Don't underestimate the power of biotechnology. Let's go. Here I will show you an overview of biotechnology as a career. So first career path here we have its medical biotechnology. So developing pharmaceuticals, vaccines and diagnostic tools, this all comes under the medical biotechnology field. It is the specialized field under the biotechnology, and it's also growing after the corona and all that pandemics which are occurring right now, and it will go further and it will grow fast. So you must focus on this field also. Let's see other fields. Career path is agriculture biotechnology. It mainly focuses on the GMOs, which our country, our nation doesn't permit the other countries to share this GMO crops. Other countries are allowing, but our country is so great that they are not allowing any many inventions, many discoveries of biotechnology, but these are not allowed in our country. So there are many things like biopesticides and sustainable agriculture practices, and biofertilizers are also comes under this because it's benefits in the agricultural sector. Let's see the other career paths. Other field is the which we all pollute every day, every time. It's environmental biotechnology. So using organisms to clean up pollutants and manage waste and produce the renewable energy. Renewable energy is now very important because the various forms of energies are used up and it is near to end. So this sector plays a major role in this growing century. Let's see the other scopes. Is the industrial biotechnology. So without industry the country is nothing. So industry plays a major role, and biotechnology is also the industry which is called industrial biotechnology. It doesn't seem like they produce any big products, but they produce chemicals, they produce biofuels, bioplastics, ethanol, acetic acid and other industrial products through biological processes, mainly fermentation, and other processes are also there, but I don't know them in detail. So let's see the other point. Another interesting field is bioinformatics. So if you love to use the technology and computers, then it is for you. And it is the combination of computer science, biology and information technology to analyze the biological data. In that there are the genes, types and all that embedded in the software of computer, to which we have to explore and mention which organism which we have discovered is how much similar, like 99% similar to this organism. Then these all are there in the data which is present in the bioinformatics. So this all is about the bioinformatics. Let's see. First industry comes in my mind, is in your mind also, is pharmaceuticals. So drug development and clinical research, this all occurs in the pharmaceutical. Now the other is agriculture. Agricultural comes, it's a wide range of career prospect, like crop and livestock improvement, biofertilizers, bioinsecticides and many all. Now the other is the healthcare sector is growing day by day, and there will be no end to here. So in this, diagnostic and therapeutic technologies are there, which are the major focus after you do the biotechnology goals. Now the other is the environmental services. Environmental services means there are many waste going on there. So after doing this, you must focus on the waste management and pollution control. Now the other is the energy. So it's an interesting field. Energy, the biofuel production. Fuels are used up day by day, and biofuels are the great substitute of the other fuels which we are using, like diesel and petrol. These are harmful for the environment, but biofuels are environmental friendly, and we should use these fuels and neglecting all this harmful fuels like petrol and diesel. So now we will see about the prospects and the trends. So we can say that the biotechnology offers a wide range of career opportunities with the potential to make significant impacts on health, agriculture and environment. It requires a solid foundation in science and commitment to continuous learning and innovation. In this, you need to be learn continuously, day by day, every day in your whole life. So hope you all like my video. Please consider subscribing my channel, hit the like button, and so that this video comes in the others feed, in everyone's field, and they can know the importance of biotechnology. Thank you everyone to hear me till the end. So please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.